Hey there, welcome to kneppyinvests. The best performing company on the ASX on the 17th of March was Imagion Biosystems. And the reason I know a little about this company, and when I say little, I mean it in both sense. I know quite little about this company, but I do know a little about the company, so very small things about this company. And the only reason I do know a little bit about this company is because the viewers of this channel did pick Imagion Biosystems as one of the 25 companies they think will significantly outperform the market over the next 5 years. So it is in the group portfolio. So I have been following the going-ons in this company. And on the 17th of March, Imagion Biosystems share price rose 47%. It was actually up over 50% for a little bit of the day. So why did we see a significant rise in the share price in one day? Now, in saying that, share price has been falling by a fair bit since the start of the financial year. And this is the first time I've delved a little bit deep into the company. So I did know this was a medical company, but I didn't know exactly what they do. And as I delved into what this company does, it is without doubt one of those companies on the ASX we want to succeed. Because if this company succeeds in what they are doing, it will benefit humanity. So I want this company to succeed, but just because I and other investors want this company to succeed doesn't mean it will succeed. It has to show that what they are doing is going to be beneficial for humanity, and they are going down the right path to show that. Hence why the share price did increase 47% on the 17th of March. What does Imagion Biosystems do? Let's see if I can explain this without me looking at any sort of explanations. And so they are a cancer diagnostics company. So they are looking at technology to better be able to diagnose cancer. And what they do is they have this nanoparticle reagent, which they give to the patient, and that nanoparticle reagent is attracted to the cancer tumors. I'm not sure exactly how it is attracted, but it will go to the tumor, and then they put the patient into an imaging device, and the imaging device will be better able to see the cancer, the tumor, because of the nanoparticle reagent. And so that's simply what this company does. The other good thing about what they're doing, the technology, is it can be used for many different types of cancers. Imagion Biosystems' piece of technology is called MagSense, and it can be developed for many types of tumors or cancers and used at different stages of the diagnosis. So some of the cancers they're talking about: brain cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, ovarian cancer, and prostate cancer. And currently, the MagSense HER2, which is for breast cancer, has been designated by the FDA as a breakthrough device. And it's actually the HER2 which caused a little bit of excitement in the market on March 17. So let's have a look at the announcement that caused the share price of Imagion Biosystems to increase by almost 50% in one day. So the share price didn't quite increase 50%. In fact, it closed the day at 47% at 6.3 cents, but up 2 cents on the day. And this was in regards to HER2, the breast cancer first in human study progress date. Interim data supports MagSense imaging agent is safe and well tolerated. Results make evident that the imaging agent is reaching the patient's lymph nodes. So it's really in the early stages of developing this piece of technology, and this is based off my limited knowledge of this company. But they are progressing down the right path, and hopefully what they are doing will succeed in the future, because again, and I want to state this over and over again, is if this company succeeds, it will benefit humanity greatly. Unfortunately, when we look at Imagion Biosystems' daily chart, over the past year, this is the exact opposite sort of chart you want to see if you're a shareholder of this company. You want to see the share price going from the top left to the bottom right. You want to see it going from the bottom left to the top right. That means share price is increasing. This chart, we know the share price has been decreasing over the past year, dropping from a high of 22.5 cents last February to a low of 4.4 cents the day before the share price increased 50%. And the share price is still in a downtrend. So even the share price did increase 50% in one day, share price is still in a downtrend. Probably the one positive thing coming out from the trading, apart from the share price increase, was the massive volume we did see. I think it was over 100 million shares traded, which was almost a one-year high. Last time we saw a lot of shares traded in this company was back in April last year, but that was on a big down day. In fact, we saw two big down days and on massive volume back then. So the one negative thing here is because the share price has been dropping, particularly the last 2 months. In fact, the share price has accelerated its downward move during that time period. It means there's a lot of shareholders underwater right now. And shareholders, investors, don't like to see the share price decreasing when they buy in. And a lot of mentality out there is if the share price decreases, the company, the stock automatically becomes a dog stock and they just have to get out. So that means there's going to be a lot of resistance moving forward. Hopefully, with the amount of volume we did see on the 17th of March, a lot of those shareholders who wanted to sell out because share price has decreased were able to sell out. But I still think there's going to be a lot of shareholders, particularly between about 6.5 cents and 9.5 cents, because that's just sort of the range the share price has been trading in over the past 6 months. There's going to be a lot of shareholders who bought into that range who will want to sell out. So we need to see continued excitement in the market for the share price of this company to keep on increasing from here. But this could be the first sign of a shift in sentiment of this downtrend coming to a completion. It wouldn't surprise to see the share price just drift lower from here on lower volume. And if they release some more positive news, that could be the catalyst for a complete shift in sentiment. That could be the catalyst for sending Imagion Biosystems into an uptrend. That's all I have for this video on Imagion Biosystems. If you know a lot more about this company than I do, I'd love to hear your opinion on where you think this company is heading, particularly if you are bullish about this company. I'd love to hear why. What's your bull case? On the flip side, if you don't think this company has a future, I'd love to hear your bear side of the argument as well. So leave any of the comments in the comment section or leave your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.